Congratulations for starting on your program. I am Coach Aubrey. Since na-receive mo yung message na to, that means you are part of our team. So for the next 21 days, makaka-receive ka from us ng mga healthy tips that will help you achieve your weight loss and wellness goals. So for day 1, we will be talking about your magic number. So ano ba yung magic number? Yung magic number is yun yung calorie allowance na nilagay ng coach mo sa iyong meal plan. So we call it magic number kasi if you keep it in mind and nilimit mo yung calorie intake mo as per the calories suggested sa'yo ng coach mo, you may achieve yung result na gusto mo talaga. So make sure you follow your meal plan kasi anything na kakainin mo na wala sa meal plan can affect your magic number. So here are some examples. Even liquids have calories. Water lang ang zero calories, no? What you think may be harmless also has calories. Even yung maliit na candy lang, that also includes around 60 to 80 calories. Mga fast food, they are processed food and instant foods, they are high in calories and fats. So you need to make sure that you eat within your magic number. So be mindful of your calorie intake, no? To lose weight, you have to cut calories, not food. Eat 1,200, not 2,000. So, ilimit mo yung mga unhealthy foods and eat more of the fresh and natural food. Start cutting calories sa morning. So, you replace your breakfast, yung usual greasy breakfast with our healthy breakfast, Herbalife Nutritional Meal Shake. So, that's only around 90 to 100 calories. Pero you're getting all the nutrients that your body needs. Hindi ka magugutom kasi nakukuha mo yung proper nutrition. Bonus, you will lose weight safe and effective. So remember, to lose weight, cut calories, not food. Start with your healthy breakfast.